As NUS students, have you ever wanted to become a teaching assistant for your favorite module, but were unsure of how to apply? Or were you simply curious about the actual commitments before applying?
On the other hand, as module coordinators, have you ever wanted a platform to advertise and consolidate applications for teaching assistants? Talent Connect will be the solution to connect professors to potential TAs. Module coordinators will be able to announce the requirements, availability, and process to apply for a teaching assistant role for that module.
Students can then explore our platform, discover the requirements for their dream module, and submit an application seamlessly. There will even be a forum where current teaching assistants can share their experiences. Compiling the applications, Talent Connect allows professors to then compare applications and choose the best fit for their module. With Talent Connect's help, we hope to streamline the TE application process. Thank you. Moving on to our current prototype, when we arrive at our website, we are first greeted with a login page. For new users, you can click on the Sign Up button to create a new account by filling in the necessary information. Take note that the username has to be unique, or else you will get an error message saying that the username has already been taken. Let's create a new valid module coordinator first. Perhaps maybe admin 1. And now we sign in with the new account that we created. When you sign in as a module coordinator, you will arrive at the My Modules page, where you can create, view, update, and delete your listings. Let's create a new listing first. Click on the Create New Listing button and fill up the information like module code, academic year, and semester. Other fields might also be automatically filled up for you based on your user account. Let's leave some of the non-required fields blank for now. Let's see what happens when we try to create a non-existing module. Let's go back to the previous page and perhaps CP2106X. You will also get an error message, module not found. Let's fill in the rest of the information and see what our listing will look like. Now that we have created our listing, we can see more details by clicking on the card or on the View Listing button. We can also edit our listing, which brings us back to the form with all the current information filled. We can also delete this listing either from the card or from the Edit Listing form. But let's not do that for now. Navigating to the listings page, you can view all the current listings made by module coordinators. You can easily identify your listing too with the edit icon at the top right hand of the card. You can view all the listings made by other module coordinators. Moving on to the modules page, you will get to browse all the current modules available on NUS Mods. You can search for the module you want, either by module code, let's say, CP2106, or by description, Orbital. Now, talking about the other way that we can create a new listing, if a listing has not yet been created for a module, you will see that instead of the View Listing button, you will get a Create Listing button. You can click on it, and it will fill up the module code automatically for you, so that it will definitely be a valid module. For now, these are the functionalities available to module coordinators, with other features like viewing applications and downloading student CVs currently in development for Milestone 3. Now let's see what students can do for now. Let's sign up and log in as a student. When we sign in as a student, we arrive at the listings page, where we can view all the current listings put up by module coordinators. If you see a listing that you're interested in, you can click on it to view more details, or like it to save it to your My Modules page. Let's subscribe to a few modules for now and see what happens. When you navigate to My Modules, you will see that all the listings that you have subscribed to have been saved there. Unsubscribing them causes them to disappear. By subscribing to listings, you will also get alerts and even email notifications whenever a listing is changed. Moving on to the modules page, clicking on the Learn More button redirects you to the corresponding NUS modules info page. If a listing exists for the module, for example, Orbital, you can also click on View Listings and subscribe to the module from there. These are the current functionalities for students, with more features like submitting applications coming soon in Milestone 3. We hope you enjoyed our short user guide and demo. Thank you. For Milestone 3, we have added the applications feature as well as a few extension features based on our user testing and surveys. To apply for a teaching assistant position, students can browse or search for the listing they want and click on the Apply button. Let's say a student favorites CS 2040 in the listings page and navigates to the My Modules page to apply for the module. You can click on the Apply button, which brings them to the application form. Most of the information should be filled based on your user information and the listing information. After filling in the other required fields, the student can navigate to the attachments page where they can upload their resume or supporting documents, as well as any other information if they would like to. After creating the application, students can view the applications in the Apply page, where they can delete if they change their mind. Now let's view all these applications from the module coordinator point of view. Module coordinators can apply to the application page, where they can view all the modules that they are in charge of. For example, we want to view the CS 2040 application. They can click on View Applications and they will see the application is there. For our extension features, we have a forum that goes along with each listing. You can access this forum by viewing the listing and scrolling, for example, CS10X, and scrolling to the bottom to see a Discuss panel. Users can sign in with the Discuss account and start a discussion for the listing. Past TAs can provide a review to the module they create for, so that others can read about experiences, while prospective TAs can view reviews and testimonials from previous TAs. Module coordinators will also be given admin-level access to moderate the discussion of their listing. The next extension feature we worked on was sorting listings. Back in the listings page, we can sort the listings either by alphabetical order or by when they were last updated or created. We can toggle this using the icon shown. The icon and hover over text will change to show how clicking the button will sort the listings. For example, clicking the icon when it's A to Z will sort the listings by alphabetical order, while clicking the icon when it's the clock icon will sort by newest listings.